All right, guys, so here we go. This is a super easy drink that you can make in the morning. You can drink throughout your entire fast. Now, depending on your level of physical exertion, you may need more, you may need a little less. Actually, not less. If you're fasting, you're gonna need this, okay? If you're lowering the carbs, your body's starting to push out water, the excess water. There's actually a noticeable weight loss effect just by losing all this water, but along with the water, you're losing a lot of the salt and potassium, okay? So we wanna keep those levels elevated. Now let me just show you this. Potassium, as a daily recommended dose, is 4,700 milligrams. That's a lot of bananas. That's a lot of avocados. That's a lot of leafy greens, spinach, kale. I don't know about you, but I really don't get that much. But you need potassium. It's crucial. It's responsible for making you feel really strong and a ton of things going on in the body. Along with salt. If you feel weak, you need more salt, okay? Water and salt go, you start feeling fatigued and sluggish. Now, if you get too much salt, you might shit yourself, okay? You'll feel like you have to go to the bathroom. Along with potassium, trust me. So, this is, drink this throughout the day, not all at once. And if you feel like you need to adjust it and add more, then add more, okay? The first way you start, get a glass, a liter or 4 cups, 33 ounce, okay? Get yourself a nice glass container or a bottle. We're going to get pink salt. I bought a bag here. This is pink Himalayan sea salt. You can see that, okay? And you can put that in a little shaker. We're going to need 1 teaspoon, which equates to about 2,000 milligrams. You just pour that in the glass. Next, you may have never heard of this, but for people that are scared of salt, this is a salt substitute, and it consists of potassium chloride. Okay, now you can also get no salt, which is the brand I'm showing you here, no salt, but my grocery store does not carry that. So I got this by Morton. It is a salt substitute. You're going to want to do, again, 1 teaspoon, which equates to roughly 2,400 milligrams. Now again, this is going to provide you with, a third of what you actually need for your potassium, and not a third, half. So you need to actually eat potassium. You need to eat your greens, you need to eat your avocados, and if you're eating carbs, eat your bananas. All right. But guys, this is it. It's not gross either. This is like a little salt water. It actually, when you drink it, instantaneously, you'll feel rejuvenated, okay? If you're working out and you're low on electrolytes, you're gonna feel very weak. You're not gonna be able to grind out those heavy sets. You're not gonna be able to experience a really good pump. You'll notice first thing is that your grip strength is not really that strong. And when you are flexing in the mirror, it's like you feel weak, okay? You don't wanna feel that way, and you can avoid feeling that way. You can avoid the keto flu by using this mix. Let me know what you guys think. Mix it up. These are very cheap, by the way. The 2 salt and the salt substitute I just showed you. So run out and get those. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.